Well, that was my number one slot, and instead of hitting Q,
Oh no! Seriously.
I mean, I knew it was going to happen. There's no food. And I couldn't get back to the swamp because I was too busy running from the dogs. Thankfully, like I said, I found a touchstone up here. So in the morning, as soon as it's daylight, I will hit the touch. No, 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 no. No. Please don't.
Don't.
Oh no. Oh, all my stuff is burning. All my stuff is burning.
All your stuff is burning.
All my stuff is burning because I died right next to the fire.
Well, I mean, I guess that's one way to do it.
No, that's not one way.
oh, this is good. I'm down to one health.
Then eat.
No, you don't understand.
I mean, then eat some poop.
Yeah, I would love to, but
Did you eat all the poop already?
yup.
Oh my god.
Come on.
Did you eat guano? Does that work too?
Yes, that does work, but
Okay.
yeah, I was taking care of the crops.
Attack!
Well,
You
that's
guys may well die because there's no way for me to resurrect again. Because even if you guys use a heart on me, it's going to leave me with about half maximum health. Can't get rocks, can't get my stuff. Yeah, it's bad, it's bad.
the worst thing is I can keep my sanity up. That's
No, that's assuming either one of you even have the health to use.
no. I've got 3 health right now. Thanks
Exactly.
to Machron getting me a piece of poop. Piece of poop gave me 2 health.
Oh, it's the wrong way anyway. Yeah, it's not going well. It just is not going well.
Oh, there goes the penguins.
I think my hat burned up.
On the bright side, my sanity's kind of stable right now.
Actually not sure my I'm actually not sure my slingshot didn't burn up. I think I can remake those, but I mean, again, I couldn't get the gold because of the dogs.
You actually found gold?
Yeah, I found
Yeah,
gold
nice.
and I found rocks that make flint, but they're surrounded by dogs.
Oh, I have
There's-
plenty of flint.
There's about 6 dog. That's
Oh,
probably
I
3
have
or
no
4.
heat.
There's dog spawners inside the rocks. Oh, there's golden. There's a single gold rock in the birch lands.
Oh yeah.
So I guess the question is, Macron,
Oh,
You
you
want-
guys don't-
Triple69 disconnected from the server.
You're a danger.
oh, I'm probably
I
gonna
mean-
wind up dying.
Honestly, okay. So the real question is whether or not either one of you has the health.
Oh,
bring
God,
it
no.
back.
Oh God,
I know
no.
you don't.
I do, but it would be. I might not by the time you get back to camp and by the time I get back to camp.
So,
Because I'm currently freezing, and I've still got to get back to camp.
right.
And you know how freezing is.
Yep.
Yeah, it's rough because
Wreck your day.
it wrecked my day. I had 30 some
Yeah.
health, and then
And then you didn't?
and then I had 1.
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm running into the same kind of situation, but I've got to get back, so.
Yeah, it wasn't freezing that killed me, it was starving to death. I had taken food with me, but I wasn't planning to get stuck there and chased around by hounds to the point where I couldn't get back. Because like I said, I couldn't risk going through the swamp and having tentacles going after me and the dogs.
Tubal69 connected to the server.
Okay, guano is actually
yeah.
better than
It was definitely a
than
bad
poop
day.
because guano took me from 3 to 9. Those two guano took me from 3 to 9.
Probably more nutrient
Nice.
rich.
Well, I'm happy the guano was
Oh,
good.
hey, there's a bunch of ice up here, guys. You can break it up and use it as ingredients. You can use it to replace up to 2 ingredients in a crock pot.
Oh, it's gonna kill me.
So, that's an option. It's a lot of food right there.
Here we go.
I don't know if you want to wait until. Are you willing to give me an axe and a pickaxe, please?
You can have my pickaxe that I've already used a little bit of.
Okay.
I need sticks to make an axe. Oh, he's got one. Okay.
Thank you.
I have 0 sticks.
Is that your backpack sitting over there, Machron?
I don't know.
I think I believe I made one for everybody.
No. I don't think I've ever picked mine up, so.
That's probably it then. Okay. As soon as daytime hits, I'm going to break up some of the ice
Yeah,
cubes.
no. What you need to understand is that it's free help bringing you back to life.
No, I understand. So there is stuff to do in order to get max health. There are, hold on, let me see, where is it? I think it's under survival?
It is.
Yeah, Telltale Heart, no, that revives. Healing Salve, no, wait, is it the Healing Salve?
No. Actually, hold on. Let me get over to the...
No, it's the booster shot, that's it.
It's the booster shot.
It's 8 rot, 2 niter, and a stinger. I have the stinger. Maybe. Maybe? Nope, we don't have the stinger. So that's a thing. We don't have the stinger, we don't have the niter, we don't have the rot. Yeah.
And I don't think the plants are actually really growing.
They're not, it's winter.
They are not, it's winter. You
So,
have to fertilize them.
Oh, wow.
Have to.
yeah,
What?
Oh, just looking at some of the things we could be building if we had an alchemy machine.
Oh, yeah. If we had an alchemy machine. I'm gonna get this ice so that we can use it.
with what?
And look, all it takes is one thing. If you have one berry, you can make a fistful of jam with one berry and a bunch of ice. But the thing is ice doesn't actually melt when it's left in the chest. Well, I mean it does, but I think it goes bad like any other food does. If that makes shit. Well, that was really a pickaxe.
Well, come back with the ice.
I'm coming back with the ice. I need something to eat.
So do I.
Yeah, so do I.
All of us do, that's the problem. And now it's snowing.
Oh, and apparently winter is mating season. Because the beefaloos' butts are red.
Winter is now mating season?
No, I think their butts are always red.
No,
Nope.
they're not. It's only red in mating season.
Oh,
Are they chasing you?
No.
You're cold? You want that one?
Yeah. I'm gonna be down to death if I didn't eat it. So there's... Oh, I was gonna put a monster meat in there with that.
Oh, well, I've got more, so...
Okay.
Dee, do you have enough stuff to make me another pickaxe?
Here. I got a monster meat in there, do the rest.
Here's the pickaxe.
you. Fistful of jam. My sanity's still dropping.
Oh, my health. Hey, I'm up
Probably
to
I'm at 35 health. Or 35
What?
hunger. I'm at 35 hunger.
Do
Can I have the crock pot?
yes.
I mean, I'm at 67, so you're definitely lower than me.
Oh, 4 spider webs. I can remake my hat.
We have 4 spider webs?
Yes. Kind of weird that the Pine Tree Pioneer had literally just 4 spider webs, but hey, whatever. That canceled my sanity loss.
I've got 3 forget-me-lots.
That's basically a...
I don't know if you do forget me lots in ice. I don't know if that does anything. Oh wait,
Probably will end up with white goo.
still have I can make one more fistful of jam, which is good. How is you guys' hunger?
I'm at
I'm at-
59.
I'm at 89.
I'm at
So
62, so.
So technically I'm the lowest.
Oh, damn it.
Yeah.
Yes, you are.
But it wasn't by much, so I wasn't really... Kind of figure I'll just come out here and freeze to death. It'll take 1 freeze and I'll die.
I grabbed some more ice, and if we can come up with any kind of food, we can throw it in with ice. Even one thing, I think.
I know, but the problem
I don't know
is...
if the tillweeds work with...
they don't go in the crock pot.
They go in the crock pot.
Where the hell is that under? That's for science.
Bobby. There was some beefaloop fur in that too. There was a Viking helmet.
Oh, that's how you... Oh!
I'm guessing Falldown's not strong today.
We need the fucking alchemy machine. God damn it.
I know, but you guys are both gonna have to go with me in order to get gold to get the alchemy machine.
And we...
doing this in the winter is a bad idea.
The problem is, in order to do that, we need the thermal stones. We
What
can't
do we
make
got?
the thermal stones.
Oh, there's asparagus. Asparagus has blossomed. So has forget-me-nots. I'm letting you get it. I'm just talking to stuff.
Where is it?
Asparagus? It's right
No.
here and here.
This is gonna hurt. This is gonna hurt.
Why?
Come back.
Oh, because of freezing?
Yeah, because that's...
There's ice in that chest. Put in an asparagus and 3 ice.
It'll make an asparagus soup.
Probably. What's up?
Well, where's the...
In that first, in the food chest.
Why does it take so...
I hope it makes asparagus because that's like not bad. What is that?
Oh, that's a ratatouille.
Was that ratatouille?
Yep.
That's a ratatouille.
Ah, dang it. Oh well.
Let
And
me...
I'm still the lowest in health.
Oh, it doesn't include ice. It doesn't include the ice recipes, guys. That or ratatouille, or we've already maxed out ratatouille to the point where it doesn't matter.
It's only going to show so many.
Oh, yep, it does include ice recipes. It just doesn't. Yeah, we can't see the that recipe.
Also,
Oh well.
it determines if you haven't made it, like D made something and I didn't see the recipe.
I don't know. Go ahead.
Good, because now that puts me at 53.
Oh! Damn it!
Yeah, some of them might be growing just super slow. Why? What'd you do?
Ate a piece of ice.
Oh, that's cold.
Yes, that is.
Alright.
Oh. Well, if we can find some way to survive the winter, we can go get gold and actually manage to move on.
Damn it, I should have stuck around and grabbed this back.
we'll see. We'll see what happens. Right now, I'm not too hopeful about surviving the winter.
Have we ever survived a winter?
Yes, but oh, God, run away!
I heard that, by the way.
Yeah. I don't have anything to make a torch with right now. I have no materials. I have an axe and a pickaxe, which I need to save the pickaxe in case I actually get back over to the rock areas. Yeah, it's not pretty right now. Like I said, if we can survive the winter.
La 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 la. Boom boom.
Pardon me.
Well,
That was funny.
there's another day.
Yup. Another day of freezing our ass off.
I think we need an alchemy machine to make the rock thing.
We do. Well, that's why I was trying to get the stuff together, but I didn't have any gold.
Right? No, I understand.
Do you? Do you really? You're not just saying that.
Bird traps. Who has sticks?
I do.
I don't have any sticks.
3 sticks, 4 webs make a bird trap. There's webs in the top chest.
Here. There's the sticks.
I'd go out and do it, but well, you know what? I'm just gonna go die. I'll see you later.
Don't go die.
Look, here's the problem. I have 9 health.
I know.
I've got 3.
I understand.
I have 9 health, and I'm getting hungry.
I'm trying.
I get that.
I'm making a couple of bird traps, and we'll see if we catch anything. Okay.
Need stuff for belly. I agree. How about me? Can I just jump in there?
No.
We're also. Where's the
I'll
charcoal?
make one more. The left chest.
Oh, I've got plenty of it on me. Here. I had 2 stacks of 40 there, and I still had like, or 3 stacks of 40 in there, and I still had some on me. So
We'll see. We'll see what happens. Maybe we'll get lucky.
sure, I'm going to starve to death in.
I'm trying.
In about 2 seconds.
Eat some ice. It'll raise your. Stand right next to the fire and eat some ice. It'll give you food at least. What else do you want from me, bud?
Where's it at?
I don't know. Do you have all the ice?
I used all the ice.
Oh,
and
you
remember,
used all
I
the
ate that last one.
Oh, that's right.
Hey, on the bright
Well,
side,
in
at
that
least I'll
case,
be
we
dead
have to
soon.
hope one of the birds lands on one of the traps.
I can't eat logs. You could prime it if you had any seeds.
I
You
don't
put
have
a
any
seed on
seeds.
top of it. And yeah, I'm
Oh,
dead.
look,
Garlic,
garlic.
pick it. Just go pick it, dude.
Yeah, I mean, without, I'm gonna set it in the crock pot. Hopefully, I mean,
There. I had forget-me-lots on it.
oh, there you go.
so-
That'll work.
I'm dead.
No. Well, there's 2 touchstones. One of them's right next to the dogs.
Yeah, where's the other one?
Way to the...
Well, that gave me Ratatouille.
Okay, so follow the road until this road ends. Then go north until you find the next road. Follow it to the left. Keep going as straight as that road will go. So if the road curves, follow the road. But then eventually the road will split. Take the left split. It goes up to a giant roundabout. Near the top of the roundabout, just off to the west, is... Wait, that's the wormhole.
Yeah.
Oh, wait, where the fuck is the touchstone? You know what? I don't remember where the original touchstone is.
Uh-huh.
And I forgot that... Well, no, there's a touchstone. Yeah. Where's the other touchstone? I could have sworn there was another touchstone. Yeah, right? Garbage. Nice. I really could have sworn that we had found another touchstone at some point. I'm gonna starve. Oh, I'm starving to death.
And there's
no.
no food.
Yep.
No.
You do know as soon as you die, I just walk into the cold and dark. Right?
Well, let's go.
Yay! To death.
We're gonna be restarting. Reset now. So that fell apart quick. When did the one with the ghost?
Yes.
Yep.
She's the one with the ghost.
Oh, look. We have a prairie right here.
Yay.
Lots of bunnies.
Well, then there probably will be no beefaloo. Usually how that works.
Oh my goodness. It's a bunny army.
Okay.
Oh, touchstone right here.
Good to know.
There's that
Hello,
flint
Mr.
rock.
Wait, what the
I don't
frack
have any flint, though.
is that? I don't know. I haven't played her since they reworked her.
You've heard that the opera woman is super OP. She is kind of OP, with the exception, as I mentioned before, she can only eat stuff that has meat in it. So, I mean, meatballs, frog leg sandwiches, honey nuggets. Basically, it has to have some form of meat. And if it doesn't, she cannot eat it, and therefore, she'll end up dying.
Right.
Anybody find any flint yet?
Nah, not a single piece.
Yeah, me either.
If I had
Found
the
some
stuff,
steaks.
I mean, I found some stones over there.
Found some yeah, I found a couple of stones myself. So.
They were in the prairie. I went through the touchstone, or went and located the touchstone. That way it had the
That's
touchstone
not
on my
bad.
map.
A golden dumbbell? Is that just making a dumbbell out of gold? Yes, it is. Okay, oh, I found beefaloo. I almost walked right into one.
Well. Oh yeah, those.
So that's a plus. We have beefaloo right off the bat. And not a small group either. It's a decent sized group.
Okay, that does.
Oh, damn.
Anybody found? I found a. Oh, I'm going to make a pickaxe and go break those rocks out.
Yay! Yeah, there's 6, 7, 9.
Okay, well, I've got monster meat and spider glands. Abigail does not like spiders.
Abigail attacked. Really?
Yes.
That's kind of cool.
They've reworked so many characters. It's really hard to know.
Okay, so there's a bunch of bee flu over here and an evil tree.
She's
Um,
almost dead, but well,
Didn't she just go away for a while?
yeah, I
Yes,
think
I'm
so.
pretty sure she just come back. So, you know. Oh, there's a birch tree over here. Found a couple of carrots. Anybody else find any food at all?
I've got a monster meat.
One better.
Well,
Yeah.
until we
Well,
get a
yeah, I
crock
mean,
pot,
it
that
would
one
be.
doesn't
I
look
mean,
good.
that's the whole point of... I'm sorry. Yeah, I jokingly was like, is that just a barbell out of gold? I apologize. No, I mean, I figured, or a dumbbell out of gold, I figured it was probably better. I mean, the golden axe, the golden pickaxe, they both have a lot higher durability than the regular axe and pickaxe.
Which
So, I
makes
mean,
no
I figured
damn
that it
sense.
would... I figured that it would have...
I know,
more,
I mean, I guess they
more
are made out of
durability.
flint, so it does make sense.
Would do better. What?
Never mind. I initially was like, oh, that doesn't make sense, but then I'm like, well, no, they're originally just made out of flint, so it does make sense.
Yeah. If they weren't made out of flint, you're right, it wouldn't make any sense. Oh, spiders. Okay.
Snyder? What? I got that.
Spiders.
Oh, no, I don't have any of those, but I
Kitten
got
heads.
Snyder.
Well,
Kitten
do we want to meet back at the portal?
No.
I don't have any flint or anything. I can make a torch. I can't even make a fire. I don't have enough because I can't make an axe.
Yeah, I can make a torch.
Where are you guys at?
Where?
I think this might be a very short-lived game.
Right. Let's see. Game was a lot faster than you had. Well, I mean, no, I mean, like I said, it figures that the gold one would be better. It would make it better. I mean, because the gold one would be heavier. The gold one would have a higher durability. Mighty gem. We're going to use a science machine to build a prototype. I want a mighty gem. I mean, it would be heavier, you know.
Where's the portal from where I'm at? Okay, I need to go to south. Sorry, I'm trying to get back to you guys.
Okay.
And Abigail's up to 150 health again.
Doing my daily workout. Here's a curiosity.
Whoa, wait. Am I not far enough to... Oh, no, I went too far. Oh, hi, spider. Bye, spider. Hi, spider. Hi. What are y'all doing? But it's a
Waiting
little
for
early
you.
for that.
I was making a torch.
Okay, so
I
throwing the
wasn't
dumbbell at the tree.
Crap. Hey, anybody got a single piece of grass?
Yes.
Can I have a single piece of grass?
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. And, yeah, I just discovered that, and thank you, though, hitting the flies, nice. And, welcome. Yeah, I just discovered you can use it as a thrown weapon at least, but it does take a lot of the durability, and I've already broken it, so I'm gonna have to find 4 rocks and make another one. But that'll be a thing. So, unfortunately, it did not knock down the tree. I didn't know if it would. I'm like, it'll let me throw it at the tree. Let's see. What in the earth?
But north what?
Is that how you regain sanity?
No, she said she's not afraid of the dark. That's...
Oh, well, I mean, that just means you won't lose sanity in it.
but I am losing.
Oh, really?
sanity in it.
That's weird.
I don't know. Well, mine's pointed down, but I've still got 101. It's just saying that it's dropping.
Yeah, mine's dropping too, but not super fast.
Well, mine's not actually dropping. It just says it's dropping. Oh, no, I guess it is. It went down to 100.
Summoning Abigail costs me sanity.
Well, that sucks. Okay.
Alright, anyway,
So the people who are straight south of us. I'm gonna go try to find some flint, some rocks, something of my own. I mean, we need more materials. Oh, you know what? I
I
forgot.
didn't give you any rocks, but, you know.
Huh?
What?
What'd you say?
Not like I didn't give you any rocks, but,
Oh, you
know.
did give me rocks. I'm so sorry.
Yeah. Well, you didn't pay attention.
I guess I just didn't see you give them to me. I don't know.
I did it right after you broke your barbell, and you were like, "Oh, I need 4 rocks to make another one." I'm like, "Oh, I can do that."
Yeah.
And I just kinda handed it to
Oh,
you.
hello. Lots of frogs.
Oh yeah, lots of frogs.